Oh, hello and welcome to part 3 of the Aygo clutch replacement. I've now removed the driver's side drive shaft. Exactly the same procedure as removing the passenger side. Pop it out of the gearbox and then get it out of the hob. The shafts are both on the floor under the car, out the way. I'm going to have a quick sweep up and then I'm going to start cracking the bell housing bolts. I'm going to find all of them now, and hopefully this afternoon I should have the gearbox out. So let's see how far I can get. I've only got about an hour and then I've got to knock it on the head because I've got to go somewhere with Margaret. Right, trying to film under here whilst working is hard work. I've got all the bell housing bolts out from underneath. They're all out. I've got the back engine mount off, starter motors off, and lying on the exhaust so it's clear of the gearbox. I've got 2 more bell housing bolts at the top to remove. Then I've got the last engine mount on this side. Where is it? There. I've got that to remove. I'll have to support the gearbox to do that one. But yeah, we're getting close. There's a collection of bell housing bolts. Both drive shafts. Rear engine mount. Oh, we're getting there slowly. Like I said, there's no rush. I've got this car for a while. There's one mounting bolt down there and another one down there. And that, I think, is all the bell housing bolts removed from this gearbox. Then we can think about dropping the bugger out. It's good fun. Right, I'm going to have a coffee, have a break, and come back to it again in a little bit. Sorry I can't get the camera down there to show you everything, but when you're swinging on spanners and I keep knocking the torch and the camera over, so it's just not worth trying to film it, but I'll show you all the highlights. Well, I can see my prize. We've got the gearbox out. It's sitting on the floor down here. So next thing I need to do is get Mr. Clutch off and see what state he's in. Yeah, that was good fun, that, trying to wiggle that out. It was a bit tighter than I thought it was going to be. Anyhow, it's out, that's all that matters. I'll have a look at the clutch now, I'll pull that off, I'll show you. Well, I'm glad I've gone through all that trouble to find the clutches on the rivets. That's why it was slipping. Yep, that wasn't going to last much longer. It was right on the rivets. That's knackered. Oh, at least it's out. At least we haven't done this for nothing. That's a new one. You can see how much meat is on this new one. I think tomorrow is reassembly day. I'm not doing any more today. I've got what I wanted. I've got Mr. Clutch out. One very, very tired clutch. Oh well, it is what it is, I suppose. It's had a good life. All we can do now is throw it in the bin. Reassembly must begin tomorrow. So for now, I'm just going to leave everything on the floor and I'm going in to get washed up and get changed. I've done as much as I want to do again today. In fact, I got more done than I thought I was going to get done. Sorry I haven't filmed an awful lot. It's just really, really hard to get in with the camera and film everything.